The next one, the interior angles of a polygon are in AP. The smallest angle is 120 degrees and the common difference is 5 degrees. Find the number of sides. So the interior angles of a polygon are in AP. The smallest angle is 120 degrees and the common difference is 5 degrees. Find the number of sides. So the smallest angle, let us take it as small a, is equal to 120 degrees and the common difference D is given as 5 degrees. So the smallest angle A is 120 degrees and the common difference D is equal to 5 degrees. Let the number of sides be n. Since the number of sides are n and this is smallest is 120 and the common difference is 5, the sum of the angles interior angles is actually 2n minus 4 into 90 degrees according to the standard formula, and according to the given information it is by 2 into 2a means 2 into 120 n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 2n minus 4 into 90. All these are degrees. So therefore, the sum to n terms of an arithmetic progression is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, it is n by 2. 2a means 2 into 120 plus n minus 1 into d means 5 is equal to 2n minus 4 into 90. So this is n into 5n and this is minus 5 and this is plus 240, therefore plus 235 is equal to 2n minus 4 and 2 comes this side, it becomes 180. We can cancel 5 on both sides, thereby this is n into n plus 47 is equal to 2n minus 4 into 5 goes 36 times. Now this is, here this is n square and 47n here and 72n on the other side. So minus 47n so n square plus 47n minus 72n, it becomes minus 25n. and the constant here is minus 144. It comes to this side, it is plus 144 is equal to 0. And now the factors for this are 16 and 9s. So therefore n square minus 16n minus 9n plus 144 is equal to 0. Here n into n minus 16 minus 9 into n minus 16 equal to 0. So n minus 9 into n minus 16 equal to 0. Therefore this implies n equal to 9 or n equal to 16. But n equal to 16 implies Tn equal to T16 equal to A plus 15D, and A is 120 and 15 into D is 5. So 15 5 75 and this is 120, 195 degrees. This is greater than 180, and hence n cannot be 16 because any angle should be below 180 only. So therefore the lowest angle of a polygon is given as 120 degrees, and the angles are in AP, and the common difference is given as 5 degrees. We have taken the number of sides to be n, and hence the sum of the interior angles is equal to 2n minus 4 into 90 degrees, and according to the given information the sum is n by 2 into 2a means 2 into 120 plus n minus 1 into d means 5, and this is equal to 2n minus 4 into 90. Now this is 5n, this is minus 5, and this is plus 240. Therefore n into 5n plus 235. When 2 comes onto this side, this becomes 180. Now here 5 is taken as common factor and cancelled with this. So n into, when 5 is taken out, it is n plus 47 is equal to 2n minus 4 into 36. Now n into n is n square. This is n square minus 25n plus 144 equal to 0. 25n can be written as minus 16n minus 9n. So this is n into n minus 16 minus 9 into n minus 16. So finally n is equal to 9 or n is equal to 16. But n equal to 16 implies the last angle Tn is equal to T16 is A plus 5D, A is 120 and 15, A plus 15D, and 15 into D means 5, 75. 120 plus 75 becomes 195, and it is greater than 180. No interior angle can be greater than 180. Hence n equal to 16 is rejected. Therefore n is equal to 9 only. Next problem, the number of sides in two regular polygons are in the ratio 5:4, and the difference between their angles is 9 degrees. Find the number of sides. So the number of sides in two regular polygons are in the ratio 5:4. The difference between their angles is 9 degrees, and we have to find the number of sides of both polygons. sides of the polygon are sides of the polygons are in the ratio 5:4. Hence, let 5x and 4x be the sides. So the sides of the polygons are given as 5:4. So for that reason, we are taking the sides to be 5x and 4x. Now, each interior angle of a polygon angle of polygon of n sides is 2n minus 4 by n into 90 degrees. Now, according to the given information, the sides are in the ratio 5x and 4x, and the difference of the angles is 9 degrees. Difference of the angles is 9 degrees. Therefore, this interior angle is 10x minus 4 by 5x into 90 minus the other one is 8x minus 4 by 4 into 90 is equal to 9. So according to the given information, the equation which we obtained is 10x minus 4 into 90 by 5x minus 8x minus 4 by 4 into 90 is equal to 9. Now let us take eight x minus 4 by 4x is equal to 90. Now 90 by x can be taken as common factor. Here 10x minus 4 by 5 minus 8x minus 4 by 4 is equal to 9. So 9 gets cancelled 10 times. Therefore 10 by x, the LCM is 20, and this becomes 40x minus 16 minus 40x plus 20 is equal to 1. So 40x gets cancelled and 10 goes 2 times here, So 20 minus 16, 20 minus 16 is 4, 4 by 2 is 2, x goes on that side, therefore x is equal to 2. When x is equal to 2, the first polygon will have 10 sides and the second polygon will have 8 sides. Therefore, the required sides are 10, comma, next one is 4x is 8. Therefore, the required sides are 10 and 8. So, the question is the number of sides of a regular polygon are in the ratio 5:4 and the difference between their angles is 9 degrees, and we are asked to find the number of sides of the two polygons. So, sides of the polygon are in the ratio 5:4. For this reason, we are taking the sides as 5x and 4x. And each interior angle of a polygon of n sides is 2n minus 4 by n into 90 degrees. This is the standard formula. Now, one polygon, it contains 5x sides. The other polygon contains 4x sides. So, when we put n is equal to 10x, we will get the one angle is 10x minus 4 by 5x into 90. Minus 8x minus 4 by 4x is equal to 9. It is given. So 90 by x is taken as common factor. So 10x minus 4 by 5 minus 8x minus 4 by 4 is equal to 9. And 9 gets cancelled 10 times. This is 10 by x. And 20 is the LCM. Now 40x minus 16 minus 40x plus 20. 40x cancel. 20 minus 16, 4. 4 by 2 is 2. And x goes on that side. Therefore, x equal to 2. And by substituting the value of x, the sides required are 10 and 8. The circumference of a circle is divided into 5 parts which are in epi. If the greatest is 6 times the least in radians, find the magnitudes of the angles that the parts subtend at the center of the circle. Let R be the radius of the circle. And now this is a circle. The circumference of the circle is divided like this by into 5 parts. And these 5 parts are in AP, it is given. So let us take the 5 parts as x minus 2y, x minus y, x plus y, and x plus 2y. So the 5 parts of the circumference are taken as x minus 2y, x minus y, x and x plus y and x plus 2y, because they are in AP. So if all the 5 parts are added, we will get the total circumference which is equal to 2 pi r. So if we add all these things, x minus 2y plus x minus y plus x plus y plus x plus 2y, this is equal to 2 pi r. Therefore, x, 3x, 4x, 5x, and this 2y gets cancelled, this y also gets cancelled, is equal to 2 pi r we got. So 5x is equal to 2 pi r, or x is equal to 2 pi r by 5. Now, the first information is given as the entire circumference of the circle is divided into 5 parts, and the 5 parts are nothing but the lengths of the arcs of the 5 parts, and they are in AP, and their sum is equal to the circumference, and it is equal to 2 pi r. Thereby we got the value of x as 2 pi r by 5. Now, greatest part is equal to 6 into least. So the greatest part of the circumference is taken as x plus 2y, because we have taken the terms to be in the AP an increasing order, and this is 6 into the least is x minus 2y. So from this, 5x is equal to, this is 6x and x goes on that side, 5x is equal to, this is minus 14y plus 2y becomes 14y. But 5x is given as 2 pi r is equal to 14y. Therefore, y is equal to pi r by 7. So therefore, y is pi r by 7 and x is 2 pi r by 5. Therefore, the first part x minus 2y is 2 pi r by 5 minus 2 pi r by 7. So, when 2 pi by 5, 2 pi r is taken common, and 35 as LCM, here we'll get 7 minus 5. So this is 4 pi r by 35. So this is the first angle, x minus 2y is 4 pi r by 35, and then x minus y, x and x plus y, x plus 2y to be calculated. So the first one is 4 pi r by 35, and x minus y is the second one. The value of x is 2 pi r by 5, and minus y we have to calculate. R, the common difference here is taken as y. We can add y to that. Y is pi r by 7 or 5 pi r by 35. When it is 5 pi r by 35, it is 9 pi r by 35. The next one is 14 pi r by 35. Comma 19 pi r by 35, and the last one will be 24 pi r by 35. So these are the 5 parts of the circumference. That means the length of the arcs are 4 pi r by 5, 9 pi r by 35, and 14 pi r by 35, 19 pi r by 35, and 24 pi r by 35. So if this length, arc length is L, and this is R, the angle surrounded by this arc is L by R. So therefore required angles are 4 pi by 35, comma 9 pi by 35, comma 14 pi by 35, comma 19 pi by 35, and 24 pi by 35 are the angles made by the 5 parts at the center. So therefore we are taking the radius of the circle as small r, and now the 5 parts of the circumference are so 1 part, 2 parts, 3 parts, 4 parts, and 5 parts. Now this angle, so the 5 parts of the circumference, this part 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, they are taken as x minus 2y, x minus y, x, x plus y, and x plus 2y, since they are in AP. Now sum of all the parts will give us the circumference of the circle. So x minus 2y plus x minus y plus x plus y plus x plus 2y is equal to 2 pi r. Thereby 5x is equal to 2 pi r. And the greatest is equal to 6 times the least. The greatest is x plus 2y, and 6 into x minus 2y is the least. So we got 5x is equal to 14y, but previously we have calculated 5x to be 2 pi r. Therefore 2 pi r is equal to 14y, and from this y is equal to pi r by 7, and x from here is 2 pi r by 5. Now the first angle is x minus 2y. X value is 2 pi r by 5 minus 2 pi r by 7. We have taken 2 pi r as common, and after taking the LCM, the lowest is 4 pi r by 35. That means the length of the lowest arc is 4 pi r by 35, and since the common difference is taken as y, by adding the common difference y, which is pi r by 7, the required 5 parts are 4 pi r by 35, 9 pi r by 35, 14 pi r by 35, 19 pi r by 35, and 24 pi r by 35. So these are the lengths of the arcs of the 5 parts. And theta is equal to length of the arc L by r. So if we divide all these things by the radius, the angles subtended by the 5 parts of the circumference are 44 pi by 35, 9 pi by 35, 14 pi by 35, 19 pi by 35, and 24 pi by 35.